So I'm convinced that my tripod for like my big SLR camera that I normally record videos on somehow got damaged in shipping, because every time I look at it, I feel like it's tilted this way. But when I tried to rectify it in one of my previous videos, then I felt like the footage was lopsided. If you think that this video looks off kilter, please tell me. I might have to get a new tripod. But I'm back in, this is I think the first place that I filmed a video after my move. I think this is my favorite place to film in the house, because the light is so nice up here and it's like so cozy, and obviously we haven't done anything with it yet, but that will probably change at some point. Today is going to be an unboxing video. Let me make sure I don't have lipstick on my teeth. On June 15th, the Detox Market is going to be releasing their Sunny Days bundle, they're calling it, and it's a gift with purchase. The retail value of all of these products is $253, and it's automatically added to your cart of a Detox Market order of $190 or more. As of today, I'm going to try and time this video to have it up on June 15th, because these bundles that the Detox Market has done in the past tend to sell out very quickly, because obviously you're getting like a ton of products for free. So if you are needing to stock up on a bunch of products and you want to try this bundle, then now would probably be the time to do so. So what I'm going to do is unbox. I haven't, as you can tell, this came in the mail last night and I just opened the box. I haven't even dug through. So there's 9 products. 2 of them are travel size and the rest are full size. What I'm gonna do that I think would be also kind of cool is I'm going to curate a little list of sort of my top 5 summer product recommendations that you can buy on the Detox Market, in case you're needing shopping ideas or things to round out a cart. I'm going to pick 5 of my top summer essentials. I will have them linked down below for you to go check out. Yeah, you don't need a code or anything. This bundle is just automatically added to your order as long as it is in stock, starting on the 15th. So why don't we just unbox, because this is very fun to do. Okay, so it looks like everything fits in this little canvas bag. These are extremely useful. I always have these kind of kicking around for travel, or if I'm sending products to people or things like that. The last time the Detox Market did one of these bundles, I think was around February, sort of as a Valentine's Day promotion, and I unboxed that too. I'll have that link down below if you wanted to see the products that are in there. Okay, so this is the Sunny Days bundle. I think it sort of has a theme of summertime, obviously, as that's the season that we're moving into. Okay, let me start with this Audacity product. They also featured an Audacity product they featured the green tea matcha powdered cleanser, which I ended up giving away because it was a little too intense on my skin. This is the Black Mint Cleanser with charcoal and rassul. It's a purifying and cooling gel. So this looks like it's a gel cleanser. So it's an ultra fresh minty gel that transforms into a purifying foam, delivering an instant deep cleanse, eliminating excess oil, etc., etc. Now this is going to be interesting because my skin has been, I'm sure, well, maybe you can tell, even with a lot of TLC and getting a facial, my skin has really gone to the dry and dehydrated end of the spectrum since relocating to Chicago and having other things going on. So it's going to be interesting to see how I do with a gel to foam cleanser. I never really use products like this, and I'm looking forward to trying it and giving you my thoughts. You're supposed to shake it well before each use. Okay, so it comes out just like a gel. It smells like a peppermint patty. It smells really good, actually. Okay, let's stick with the skincare theme. The next thing in here is the Herbivore Botanicals Jasmine and Green Tea Balancing Toner. I think I've actually tried this before. I think I've sampled it in Sephora. I'm pretty sure they carry this. I've also tried their coconut and rose one, which was a little too glycerin heavy for me. So this is organic jasmine water infused with green tea, white willow bark, aloe vera, and witch hazel. Seems like a pretty simple formulation, actually. And this is a travel size. This is not the full-size bottle of this toner. Let's give it a little whiff. Ooh, it smells very nice. Yeah, it's very, very refreshing. I'm looking forward to seeing how that fits in skincare routine. These seem to be a little bit more balancing, clarifying types of products, which makes sense to me, given that even that a lot of people's skin tends to get oilier in the summertime, obviously, with more humidity and warm weather. So the next products on here are by the brand Graydon. I've been hearing about this brand for years. I think that they're actually carried at some Whole Foods. I was never able to find them, or maybe not, maybe I'm thinking of another brand. But this is their Matcha Mint shampoo and their hair smoothie, which is a conditioner and detangler. Full-size bottles of each. They come in a pump dispenser, which is really, really handy. It smells a little bit like minty Play-Doh, which is not necessarily a bad thing. And then the hair smoothie, which it says here on the little list that this is versatile. You can use it post-shampoo, as an overnight mask, or as a leave-in conditioner. Wow, it's different. Kind of reminds me a little bit actually of Intelligent Nutrients. Ooh, it just made me have to sneeze. It reminds me of a very astringent smelling Intelligent Nutrients product. It's not necessarily bad, but it is very, very herbal, medicinal sort of smelling. So I'm looking forward to trying that as well. Okay, next on the list is a product by The Beauty Chef. We know how I feel about luxury supplements, but this is the Antioxidant Beauty Boost. This is also a travel size. I guess that this comes in a larger size. This is a dietary supplement. On here it says a biofermented probiotic elixir with prebiotics, enzymes, papaya, pomegranate, and green tea extract. I will likely be giving this to someone, probably over on Patreon. I have a bunch of bundles to put together actually. I have tons of stuff to give away, just lots of PR from the last like 5 or 6 months probably. So I'm going to be probably posting 3, 4, 5 different bundles to give away to people on Patreon, which is how I like to divest things that I accumulate and just cannot get through reliably. I've spoken so many times about my perspective on luxury supplements, on really supplements in general. I have a very streamlined supplement routine that I don't really deviate from, except the Anima Mundi products really did kind of find a way into my life. I'm very thankful for those and I like those. If you're into this kind of thing, this comes in the bundle as well. Next, I'm very excited about this because I can definitely use this. The Coola Mineral Sport SPF 30 Citrus Mimosa Moisturizer. So it's been a while since I've tried Coola products. I don't know if this is for face or body. It is a sport formula, meaning that it's likely waterproof, but I guess you could use it on face or body. It's a relatively small bottle. So this is 80-minute water resistant, farm to face sourced, broad spectrum SPF 30 mineral sunscreen. So this is both titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, which I love. I love physical sunscreens that have both. I'm super excited to use this. I'm actually going to Las Vegas. It will have already happened by the time you see this video, and San Antonio. So I definitely have occasion to use this, and we might go away for 4th of July. I'm not sure yet. If anyone watched my old, like from 2 years ago, 2+ years ago, BB cream, CC cream, a face SPF lineup, it was like one of the first kinds of videos like that I did. I had included a Coola face sunscreen in it, and I remember like it was like a tinted one. Let me actually see how the texture is on this one. Yeah, I think this is definitely more of a body product, just judging by the texture. It has a sort of a light citrusy scent. Let's see how it rubs in. Actually very, very well for a physical sunscreen compared to the Bare Republic. I think that's the brand that Target carries that's actually a subsidiary of Coola. That one is much more difficult to rub in. This feels great, and that was super, super easy to rub in. It's like, I almost think the bundle is worth it to like get to try this product. I'm very, very excited about this. Okay, the last 3 things are makeup items, and they're all from brands that I like. I have tried the formulas of some of them, but I haven't tried the color. So the first thing listed is the Well People Bio Bronzer Powder. You guys probably know that I'm a huge fan of the Well People Bio Bronzer Stick. However, I am still using I'm not wearing it today, but I'm still using the old generation one. I have not tried the reformulation of the Bio Bronzer Stick. I've just been using a lot of cream products lately. And I don't even think I've ever tried a sample of the powder bronzer. I'm not a huge fan of loose mineral powders, but I will definitely be giving this a try. It does look a little bit dark for me, but we're just gonna have to see. See what the sifting mechanism is. Okay, so the sifter sort of looks like this. Looks relatively user-friendly. At least you can close the sifter, which I appreciate. Apparently this formula is infused with aloe, chamomile, and green tea to soften skin and blend easily. Next is an RMS product, and it is one of their eye polishes in the color Lunar. I have so much to say on these products. I don't know if the formula has really changed over time. Let's see what shade Lunar is, because I'm not sure. Oh, it's like a very pretty champagne. Reminds me a little bit of Gressa eye tint in Oreo, which I have and have really been liking. Oh, so this is sort of a champagne gold leaning color. I even feel like this would be really pretty as a highlight. I'm not sure you'll be able to see it, but let me... That's actually a very gorgeous color. It would kind of give you like a no makeup look, and I'm honestly gonna probably try this as a face highlight. I love RMS products for the face. I've never had luck with their eye polishes. I have very oily, creasy sorts of eyelids, and I just never had a lot of luck with these. But, you know, because this one is so light and sort of almost translucent looking with just a hint of like micro shimmer, it could work as a very light layer or an inner corner highlight or on the brow bone. So I'm actually really gonna give this a substantial test out and let you know. And then the last product in the box is from one of my new favorite brand discoveries of 2018 so far. And it's one of the Fit Glow lip serums, and this is in the shade Bliss. I have the shade Gospel, and I really want the shade Go. In fact, I think I'm gonna buy it pretty soon. This formula I think is incredible. I think most people that have tried it really like it. I also love their lip creams. Fit Glow lip products, even above their skincare, have been so standout to me. Let's see, probably not a color I would have chosen for myself. It's like a, sort of has a lustery type of finish, and it's sort of like a peach with, looks like some, was a really bad angle to swatch on. Let me see if I can get up close and show you though. That could be a really pretty topper for some other stuff. I tend to veer away from shimmery things on the lips, but I'm certainly willing to give it a try and let you know how I like it. So that's everything in this beautiful little free gift bundle. I'm gonna try these things. I'll try and collect footage of me actually trying them and provide kind of some first impression reviews. So if for some reason I haven't gotten around to doing that, that's the end of this video, and all the other information you need will be down below. Make sure to check down there for my top 5 summer product recommendations from the Detox Market.